Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a close look at the document viewer widget, and I'm going to show you how to configure it and as well how to make use of it. My name is Confident and I'm a developer advocate at AppSmith, so let's get started. So to get started, the first thing I'm going to do here is to bring a document viewer into the canvas and drop it right there. And now we have a clean document viewer on the canvas. The document viewer has a couple of properties. The first is the document link, and this is where you specify a URL to the PDF document that is displayed within the document viewer. And you can see that the PDF from this URL is displayed within the document viewer. The second property we have right here is the visible property, and this controls the visibility of the widget whenever the app is published or deployed. So let's turn this back on. Alright, so to show you how to make use of the document viewer, I have a simple get books API right here that returns a list of books, and we can go display the data returned from this API by making use of a table widget. So I'm just going to bring the table widget right here, and there we have the table containing the book names and also the book URLs. We can go to configure the document viewer to display the book that have been selected from the table by making use of the book URL. So to do that, I am just going to edit the document link field and write a simple binding that accesses table1.selectedrow.url, which will be the URL of the book. And taking a look at this, you can see the book selected from the table being displayed within the document viewer. And I can go in to select a new book, for example, and you will see that that book will be downloaded as you saw from the progress bar, and right now has been displayed using the document viewer widget. And selecting one more table, you also see that that has been displayed because we're currently binding the URL from the selected row to be the document link for the document viewer widget. Alright, and you can see that that book has been displayed. So this is how you can make use of the document viewer widget. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please do ask them in the comment section below. So I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.